So I was diagnosed with this problem of ankylosing spondylitis, I think way back 17-18 years back.
वन डे सडनली इनके नेक में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन आया तो बहुत स्टिफ, तो हमें लगा कि इट इज़ लाइक सर्वाइकल है और कुछ नहीं है, कि आईटी पे हैं, लैपटॉप पे ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, तो मे बी इट इज़ सर्वाइकल ओनली।
And when I used to walk a bit, 5-10 मिनट वॉक करने के बाद फिर वो सबसाइड हो जाता था। तो इनिशियली आई थॉट कि ये शायद गैस्ट्रिक है, मे बी मैंने रात को लेट खाया है या कुछ, तो इस वजह से हुआ है। सो आई कंसल्टेड अ नॉर्मल ऑर्थोपेडिक एंड उसी में ही मेरा शुरू हुई ट्रीटमेंट। बट देन इट गॉट वर्स एंड उसके बाद फिर मुझे सुबह उठते सारी बैक पेन होती थी। उसके बाद मेरे शोल्डर्स, मेरे हिप जॉइंट्स, नीज, एंकल, वो सारे धीरे धीरे अफेक्ट होने लगे।
देन सडनली ही गॉट बेड रिडन टाइप। हमारी एक डॉटर थी, तो हरीश कभी उनको उठा भी नहीं पाते थे। इट वॉज दैट मच अफेक्टेड कि वो कभी गोद में नहीं ले पाते थे।
Few of my medical doctor friends were there. They suggested me कि you should think about getting your bones replaced. And 2-3 डॉक्टर्स को कंसल्ट करने के बाद I zeroed into Dr. Ramneek Mahajan.
Harish is a 47-year-old male. His both hips, his both knees were ankylosed. He was like in a fetal position trying to move around and do his daily activities when he came to me. Now the situation was that we had to operate both his hips and both his knees. So all 4 joints of the lower extremity needed a surgery, which we call as hip replacements and knee replacements. So we staged it over a period of 6 weeks, that we first did his both hip replacements so that he could actually start to lie down straight as much as possible, start to, when he would stand, at least he would start training his back.
They advised me एक साथ दोनों हिप को रिप्लेस कीजिए and I think that was the best advice. So it took me around 2-3 months to get back to normal.
तो उससे हमें कॉन्फिडेंस आया, नाउ वी कैन गो फॉर नी रिप्लेसमेंट ऑल्सो।
Second time when he came in, we got him for robotic knee replacements on both sides. Again, both were done together. As you can see, in 3 days, he is comfortable enough to stand straight, get out of the bed, try to walk a few steps. Even I tried to make him stand without a support and he felt comfortable.
वी आर वेरी होपफुल कि हरीश बहुत अच्छे से चलने लगेंगे आफ्टर 5-6 months, so that will be the best part of my life.
I would like to thank everyone involved in my recovery.
I want to thank Dr. Ramneek Mahajan and his team and Max Saket Hospital.